Hi, I'm Linda, creator of information about arthritis. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button below and then click the notification bell to receive notifications of new videos when they are released. Also, don't forget to visit my website, Food with Arthritis, where you can find out more about these terrible diseases and download free articles. Over-the-counter medication is safe to buy, but if you have underlying conditions like arthritis, you are advised to see your doctor first, as some over-the-counter drugs can interfere with your prescribed medication. There are different types of drugs that you can buy. For example, acetaminophen can help with mild to moderate pain, and it shows no side effects. For example, it does not cause stomach problems or even heart problems. But doctors say that if you are an adult, you should only be taking 4 grams per day, as you can easily overdose on this type of drug. When your arthritic pains are so bad that you have to shop for painkillers, then you must read the labels first, or speak to the pharmacist on how to use it and if it is okay with the other medications you are taking. There are odd occasions that this sort of drug can have adverse effects. When you notice any side effects from the following list, you must get medical help straight away. Severe reaction of rash, itchy, swelling on the face, tongue, or even your throat. You could also have a severe attack of dizziness or breathing difficulties. The second one is nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. These are the best anti-inflammatory drugs for those that have osteoarthritis. NSAIDs, which stands for nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, helps with your pains, swelling, and especially the stiffness that you get first thing in the morning. There are many types of painkillers for arthritis. 2 are named Advil and Motrine. With my osteoarthritis, I take a clear gel called Fenbid, which comes under the ibuprofen family, which I rub on my pains 3 times a day. That helps me to tackle the day, but there are many side effects including asthma, allergic reaction to foods, pollen, or other medication. You could develop gastrointestinal bleeding, or even develop ulcers. So that you can prevent gastrointestinal problems, your doctor may prescribe proton pump inhibitors or H2 blockers, or you may have a high risk of stroke or heart attack, or even renal damage. Number 3 is aspirin. These can prevent blood clots. But you should not take both aspirin and ibuprofen together, as they can give you side effects, because the ibuprofen can interfere with the aspirin. If you get side effects from aspirin, there are some home remedies. For example, indigestion could develop. If this happens, you can take antacid that eases the discomfort. Nausea is another one. You need to keep off of spicy rich foods. Keep to dry simple foods. You may feel sick. If you vomit, you need to sip water, which also avoids dehydration. You could develop flatulence. When this happens, you should eat small meals and avoid pulses, beans, or onions. If you develop any side effects, you need to report it to your doctor straight away, as it can have severe consequences. Your skin can peel or blister. You may have blood in your urine or stools, or see blood when you cough or vomit. Any liver problems. This could be if your skin or eyes become yellow looking. If you have pain in the hands or feet joints, this could be a sign of high uric acid in the blood, or your hand or feet swell. There is also severe allergic reaction that needs immediate attention. They are: if your skin becomes red, peeling or blisters and itching, or you could develop wheezing, feeling tight in your chest or throat, trouble breathing. You could even see that you have developed swelling in your mouth, lips, face, tongue, or throat. With your painful inflamed joints from arthritis, your doctor may prescribe you drugs so that you can cope throughout the day. The first one is opioids. These are very strong medication to help your moderate to severe pains. They could be codeine, tramadol, or oxycodone. The side effects could be drowsy or dizzy, constipation or nausea, loss of memory or concentration. For men, you may have a low sex drive or erectile dysfunction. Second one is steroids, which treats the inflammation but not the pain of arthritis. The side effects could be bleeding where the injection site is, or skin discoloration around the injection area, damage to the tendon, or an allergic reaction. If you are prescribed corticosteroids, you may have side effects including high blood pressure, develop diabetes, have acne. You could even develop osteoporosis. You may have a high risk of infections. Feelings of depression, insomnia, or psychosis. Number 3 is antidepressants. It depends on the kind of symptoms you may have, but the side effect could be nausea or stomach ache, bleeding of the digestive tract, dry mouth. Or when you first have this type of drug, you may have thoughts of suicidal behavior, or common side effects could be shaky, anxious, or dizzy, stomach or headache, loss of appetite, insomnia, difficulty passing urine, and much more. Putting it all in a nutshell, you must speak to your doctor first when buying any drugs, as some drugs can counteract the prescribed medication. When your doctor says that it is okay, you should talk to the pharmacist if you are still unsure or worried, and still read the leaflet that is in all boxes of drugs to make sure that you are doing it correctly. I hope this video has helped, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and receive notifications when new videos are released.